Hi everyone, welcome to Melissa's kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious potato curry. So the pan is well heated. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of oil. Then I'm adding 1/4 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin seeds, few cinnamon sticks. Then I'm adding some curry leaves, some green chilies, some chopped garlic, and some sliced onions. Mix it all well. Now the onions are well fried. I'm going to add a 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1.5 teaspoon of unroasted curry powder, 1 teaspoon chili powder, and salt always to your taste. Mix all ingredients well. Then I'm adding 500 grams of potato. Mix it all well. Then I'm adding 3/4 cup of water to get the potatoes boiled. Mix it all well and cover it with a lid, and let's get this cooked for 5 to 6 minutes. So this is after 5 minutes. Let's mix this again and close it with a lid. The potato should boil more. I will cook it for another 3 to 4 minutes. So this is after another 5 minutes. My potatoes are almost boiled. So now I am adding 1 cup of thick coconut milk. Mix it all well and let's get the coconut milk into a boil. So as you can see, now the coconut milk has come to a boil. So now my potato curry is ready. I turn off the stove. So this is the potato curry I prepared today. Give it a try and let me know the comments, and please subscribe to my channel if you like my cooking. So let's meet again with another delicious recipe. Thank you for watching.